In this video, I'm going to be discussing you how to get Proton VPN on VR for animal company. So let's just say you run any type of company, like for example, an animal company. You can use VPN on your VR set or virtual reality set, and it's going to be providing you the benefits of switching between different regions and that. So you can see if I simply close this, I have Proton VPN already on my device, and this is going to be helping you to get it connected with different regions. So to get it for your VR on Animal Company, you simply need to head over to your browser and click on this download option, and you can see we have all of these options. So if your VR is running, let's just say an Android or Windows, you can use it using these options. So what I recommend is you can download it for your Chrome, and this is the extension, and you can use the browser online as well, and you also have your Android option, so anything is possible. So I hope this helps, and if you still need any help, you can let me know. And also you can get 64% off onto your purchase of different plans that are offered by Proton VPN. So let me show you how they look. You can see we got two different plans, the VPN Plus and VPN Proton Ultimate, and you can see these are going to be getting really expensive once you switch to monthly plan, but you can get 64% off on these plans. And you know, it is a huge offer to miss out, so make sure to give a try to that, and this is going to be providing you a lot of value. So this is it, and I hope this helps. Stay tuned for more videos and see you around in the next one.